Have you ever thought of carrying your gaming PC in your pocket? Nothing impossible! Mini Gaming PC offers a blend of compactness and versatility, making them ideal for space-conscious games, travelers, and fans of sleek design. To help you find the best of it according to performance and compatibility, we have made a list of 5 best mini gaming PCs. Starting with the Beelink SER7. As a member of Beelink's SER series, the SER7 stands out due to its robust hardware configuration, making it suitable for a variety of applications, including office work, gaming, media streaming, and even light content creation. Powered by AMD Ryzen 7 processor, the SER7 delivers excellent multi-core performance, thanks to its advanced Zen 3 architecture. Paired with integrated Radeon graphics, this mini PC is capable of handling graphically demanding tasks and casual gaming with ease. The inclusion of up to 32 GB of DDR, 4 RAM and fast NVMe SSD storage options ensures smooth multitasking and quick data access. Measuring just a few inches in width and height, it is ideal for users with limited desk space or those who prefer a clutter-free setup. The device's metal chassis not only enhances durability, but also aids in heat dissipation, ensuring optimal performance during prolonged use. Connectivity options are another highlight of the SER7. It comes equipped with multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, enabling support for dual or even triple monitor setups. Additionally, it features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless wireless connections, further adding to its versatility. Despite its small size, the Beelink SER7 offers impressive customization and upgradability. Users can easily access the internals to upgrade storage or RAM, ensuring the device remains relevant as technology evolves. In conclusion, the Beelink SER7 is a powerhouse mini PC that balances performance, portability, and versatility. It caters to a wide audience from professionals to casual users, making it a reliable choice for modern computing needs. After that, we have the Venus UM790 Pro, a high-performance mini PC that caters to users seeking powerful computing capabilities within a small form factor. At the core of the UM790 Pro is the AMD Ryzen 9. The integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics enhance the system's ability a lot. It helps to handle demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering without the need for a discrete GPU. The UM790 Pro offers several storage and memory configurations, including support for up to 64 GB of DDR, 5 RAM, and dual M2 SSD slots, ensuring plenty of room for applications, games, and files. This flexibility makes it suitable for diverse use cases. Connectivity options are robust, with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 multiple USB ports, and HDMI 2.1 output, allowing users to connect to a wide range of peripherals and display setups. The system incorporates an efficient thermal solution to keep temperatures in check during heavy workloads. In short, with its expandability and advanced connectivity, Venus UM790 Pro can be considered as a compact powerhouse for gamers. Next is the Asus ROG NUC. It is part of the Republic of Gamers series, which is known for delivering cutting-edge hardware for gamers and tech enthusiasts. One of the key highlights of the Asus ROG NUC is its powerful processor options. It is powered by Intel Core Ultra processors, with options including the Core Ultra 7 processor 155H and the Core Ultra 9 processor 185H. The ROG NUC also supports discrete graphics cards, such as GeForce RTX 4060, allowing gamers to run modern titles at high settings without sacrificing performance. This is a significant advantage, as most mini PCs rely on integrated graphics, which can limit gaming performance. In terms of memory and storage, the ROG NUC is highly customizable. It supports 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is more than sufficient for most tasks, and offers ample storage options with 1 TB NVMe SSD, providing fast load times and quick data access. This makes the ROG NUC an ideal choice for users who need both speed and capacity for their work. The design of the Asus ROG NUC is sleek and modern, with RGB lighting elements that cater to gamers looking to personalize their setup. Despite its small size, the unit is well ventilated, ensuring that the hardware stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. The Asus ROG NUC is a versatile and powerful mini PC that combines compactness with high-end performance. The next one on our list is ZOTAC-Magnus 1. Aimed at gamers, content creators, and professionals, the ZBOX-Magnus 1 combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, making it a standout in the mini PC market. It is powered by the 13th generation Intel Core i7, 13700 processor, paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, ensuring a smooth and immersive experience in both professional applications and high-performance gaming. Key highlights of the ZBOX-Magnus 1 is its compact design. Despite its small size, it offers a variety of connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.4, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and displays. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for users who need a portable yet powerful workstation. In conclusion, the ZOTAC-Magnus 1 is the right choice for those who want better performance without compromising on space. The minisforum AtomMan G7 PT is the #1 spot on our list for its high-performance component and connectivity. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX processor, the AtomMan G7 PT provides a perfect balance between performance and energy efficiency, featuring 16 cores and 32 threads, making it ideal for multitasking, media editing, gaming, and professional workloads. This mini PC is equipped with AMD Radeon RX 7600 MXT independent graphics card with RDNA 3 architecture, 8 GB, GDDR6 video memory, 2048 stream processors, 32 compute units, and a gaming frequency of up to 2300 MHz. Whether it is 4K gaming, video editing, or 3D rendering, this graphics card will provide you with unparalleled graphics processing performance. The mini PC's compact design, measuring just 12 by 12 by 5 centimeters, allows it to fit into virtually any workspace without compromising on power. Connectivity is another key strength of the AtomMan G7 PT. The device offers a variety of ports, including USB 3.2, HDMI 2.1, Gigabit Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 7, providing users with seamless connectivity for both personal and professional use. The device also supports dual 4K display output, making it a suitable option for multitaskers or those requiring multiple monitors for their work or entertainment setups. The sleek, minimalist look, making it easy to blend into any environment, from office desks to home entertainment systems. The cooling system, featuring a low-noise fan and efficient thermal management. Overall, the minisforum AtomMan G7 PT is an excellent choice for users seeking a compact, powerful, and versatile mini PC, capable of handling a wide range of tasks in a small footprint. So that was all about the 5 best mini PCs for gaming. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit like, comment, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.